What's going on, guys? I'm Jordan, the owner of Slambo UK and Gravity Show. This is my bag, Lamborghini Huracan. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to run through the Lamborghini, the mods we've done, and when we bought it, how long we've had it, and yeah, everything that's been done to the car. Uh-oh. She's going to say, what are you doing? So we picked up the car in March of this year, 2023, and then we quickly spoke to Urban and figured out what we could do on the kit. Something special for the car, but who knows? So after speaking with Si and Lenny at Urban, we decided to go for their Urban Lamborghini Huracan full kit. That's the massive back wing, the side skirts on the side with really nice high spats to go in line with the car's lines, and then we've got a really aggressive front splitter as well. This kit is a one-of-one satin forged carbon kit, so it's the only one in the world with this kit on it. They hadn't done one before, but we wanted something to be a bit special and kind of really reiterate our partnership together. So yeah, this is our one-of-one forged carbon Urban kit on our Huracan. So after going to Urban, we decided we wanted to go for a really loud, really well-built exhaust. So we reached out to our friends at Deustch and they custom made us a 3-inch straight pipe from the Cats, and no silencers, no boxes, X-pipe, and it sounds absolutely unbelievable. What's going on, guys? We're here at Deustch Performance. We are getting a custom exhaust fabricated for our Lamborghini Huracan. Cannot wait to hear what this sounds like. So once the exhaust was sorted by Deustch, we then started thinking about wheels. So we spoke to 6AD and we wanted to design something that was multi-spoke and motorsport vibes. And we always like to design our own wheels. We have done for the last 3 or 4 years. So this is what we came up with. They're 20 and 21s, 6AD forged, 2-piece, fully polished. So once the wheels landed with us in the UK, we then obviously needed some tyres. So our tyre sponsor, Falcon Tyres, hooked us up with a set of tyres for the car, and they are faultless and unbelievable, so I would highly recommend them. And that was the wheels finished and ready to go on. And as we got the wheels finished, it was then time to speak to Car Audio Security about some airlift.
Have a Lamborghini Huracan in to bag. This car belongs to Jordan from Slambo UK, aka Gravity Show. Now this car is going to be going on a full airlift performance kit with 3H management, and we're going to do him a nice little boot install in the front. For this particular application, I've gone with the Airlift Builder series with the compact bellows. The rears, to be honest with you, were pretty straightforward. They come with eyelet to eyelet anyway. I went and picked up a piece of Alcantara with Gravity's logo on it, and we're going to be covering the tank with this. Wheels are done in collaboration with Slambo UK and 6AD. They're called the GRV7s, and I believe this is the first set that 6AD have actually ever produced. We've got 20x9s going on the front and 21x12 going on the rear. Lovely, fully polished wheel. It's actually also been lacquered as well. I can't touch the wheels at the minute because they've been ceramic coated, so I'm just waiting for that to cure. But hopefully later on today, they will be on the car.
So it was always the plan to bag the Lamborghini. It's been a lifelong dream to have a bag Lambo, so it was always on the cards. So we spoke to Airlift, spoke to Car Audio, and Palm really sorted us out with this 3H performance kit. It was one of their custom kits that they built for the car, and it rides amazingly. It's not bouncy or soft, or it rides really nicely. I would say borderline better than factory. Obviously personal preference, and yeah, couldn't be happier. Yo. Wow. That's unbelievable. I'm not usually speechless, but this is one of those times.
Yeah, you've normally got quite a lot to say, haven't you?
Yeah, I have, yeah. I'm normally talking non-stop. That's incredible. That's amazing. Thank you, man. I love it.
Happy with it?
Yeah. Could not be happier.
You're going to be even more gassed when you drive it because it drives sick.
Really?
It drives really.
So it's pretty well known that we get our cars wrapped every single year, especially the R8. We obviously change that colour every year with our good friends Identity Wraps and in Nosatech. But obviously because of the colour of this car, we didn't want to wrap it, so instead we opted for a front end PPF just to protect that paint. But yeah, we may wrap it in future. Watch this space. So that's pretty much it for now, guys. That is all the mods that we've done to the Huracan so far. We may do some different mods in future, possibly a Liberty